Hello friends, welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today's our lesson on RCC Two Way Slab quantity takeoff for all conditions. Our content is Excel formatting, quick walkthrough of key data entry points. I'm taking next lecture on RCC cantilever slab quantity takeoff. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Before start a two-way slab quantity takeoff, we go through on a drawing. This is a two-way slab drawing. This is a shorter length 5 meter and a longer length is the 5.7 meter. In our Excel formatting, every time start with a shorter length because shorter length diameter of bar may be sometimes bigger than long sided bar and spacing also different. For our avoid the confusion, we start with the shorter length. I will show you the this bar location in this section. Start with the L by 4 from the left side continuous slab, then support, then 0.42D for 45-degree bend and cut this end support. Similarly, this yellow color bar start with this support, then again 0.42D for 45-degree bend, L by 4 in right side support. This is the alternate bent up bar. This is a Excel format for two-way slab. Required data is grade of steel, grade of concrete, cover 20 mm. Start with serial number, conditions, two-way slab, one-way slab, cantilever slab, location is the nearest beam, column, description, name of main steel short length, left continuous, right continuous. This is a short length, left continuous, right continuous. Main steel long length, left continuous, right continuous. Short side support, this is a short side, this is support. Left and right, this is left, right. Left 0.3, 300 mm wide. Now short side continuous bar, this is a short side. Left or right, no continuous bar. Here is the blank. Now this is a long side. Long side left, right, this is 300, this is 300. 0.3, 0.3. Long side continuous bar, left and right. Here is the left side continuous 2.583, 2.583. Right side 2.792, 2.792. Now shorter length, longer length. Shorter length is the 5.02 meter. And longer length is the 5.7 meter. Depth is the 150. Now for 50% bar goes this continuous slab and 50% bar goes left side continuous slab. For takeoff number of bars, we divide longer length in two parts. Because shorter length place the bar in longer side and longer length bar place on shorter side. In this reinforcement schedule, start with the short bars. And main steel short length similar to 8 mm dia and spacing is a 100 mm. For long side bars 8 mm dia, spacing is the 150 mm. Now, how to work out the number of bar? This length divided by spacing. Similarly, for right side continuous also. For the long length, 50% bar goes this side, 50% goes right side. We divide this length. Now, I will show you here. Here is the count is the 58. Now, for this is a short length. This short length bars divide in longer length. Means this longer length divided by spacing, we get it, the total number of bar is the 57. Here is the 58 because of only round up. This we are correct. Now we fill this all data. Now calculate the length. This is a F8. F8 is the left side support. One side cover minus. Then G8. G8 is the right side support minus cover. P8 the shorter length. And for this 45-degree bend, 0.42D. Here is the 0.42D as per our IS 456. Now R8 is the depth of slab minus both side cover, this side and this side, minus one side diameter of bar. Diameter of bar is 8 mm. W11 is diameter of bar divided by 1000 because of diameter of bar in millimeter. Now H8 by 4. Now this is the left side. H8 by 4. Here is the blank because no continuous bar in left side. Plus 2 into R8. R8 is the depth of slab. End of support, we consider this bend up to the slab bottom. Deduct the both side cover. Similarly, we work out the main steel short length right side continuous. Here is also no continuous bar. Only difference in this link. We drag this link to the right side support. Okay. We finish the main steel quantity takeoff. Now long length left side continuous. This is a long length left side continuous. Now only all the details as above, only the change in the support and link with the long side continuous bar. Now start with the K8 L8 long side support left and right. Then both side cover minus Q8 is the longer length 0.42D for this 45-degree plane. Everything is similar. Now here is the change is M8 divided by 4. M8 is the long continuous left side is 2.583 divided by 4 plus one side, actually here multiply by 2, here is only 1 into R8. R8 is the depth of slab. This side bar paint in a slab up to depth of slab and both side cover minus. Similarly, main steel long length right side continuous, only changing this column. We give this left to right. Okay, we finish all this data. We work out the weight d square upon 162. Total weight is here number of slabs multiplied by number of bar and length of bar. This is a diameter wise quantity bifurcation, and this is a shuttering number of slab length, short length into long length. Here is the one thing, every time start with our working in short length, because our the RCC schedule also start with the short bar. We have to avoid the confusion which bar take first. Thank you very much friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.